we're going out. Actually, hapon na talaga dito sa Japan. It's almost 5 p.m. But we're going out kasi pupunta kami ng, ang tawag to sa Japan, Matsuri or festival. Hindi ko alam kung saan kasi hindi sinabi ni husband kung saan banda yung Matsuri. But yeah, we're going there. Tapos meron din silang Hanabi today or yung fireworks festival. So, yeah, pupunta kami doon at makikisaya. It's Luna's first time na makakita ng fireworks. And also, Luna's first Matsuri for this summer, this year. Kaya, we're very excited. It's already 5 p.m. Hopefully, hindi na masyadong mainit outside. But I think still mainit. But, sana hindi masyado. But yeah, are you excited, darling? Are you excited for your first Matsuri? Yeah. She's watching Miss Rachel. Kasi ano siya, very fussy siya kanina after nap. So, kailangan ko mag-prepare. Kaya, pinanood ko siya ni Miss Rachel. Miss Rachel saves the day. So, I'll see you guys later. Let me do a quick outfit check. Mainit sa labas, of course, kasi it's summer. So, very chill yung vibe ng outfit natin today. Parang fresh, pero maitim kaya I think it's still a bit hot. Pero okay lang. Ayan, this is the outfit. And this is Luna's outfit. Show your outfit, Luna. Show your very, very cute outfit. She's also so chill. Hi, Langga. Oh, ay hindi siya namamansin. So many people. It's another day and hindi na kami nakapag-vlog from last night's Matsuri kasi ang daming tao, but we had a video with the fireworks. And yeah, si Luna medyo natakot siya. Right, Luna dyan? It was very noisy kasi hindi pa sanay. It was Luna's first time na makakita ng fireworks. Siguro natakot siya sa tunog ng fireworks kasi malakas, di ba? But after a while, nag-enjoy naman siya. Pero nung una, super natakot talaga siya. So, yeah. That was our first Matsuri this year. And Luna's first Matsuri! Right, Luna? And, were you happy yesterday? Yes. Nag-enjoy siya. She was very, very happy. Our happy, pretty girl. So pretty girl. Hi, love. Hi, mommy's pretty girl. Hi, mommy's pretty girl. Wow. So pretty! You're so pretty! So pretty! Currently pala, nagluluto ako ng lunch ni Luna dyan. It's actually, it's already 12. Kagigising lang niya from her nap. Medyo matagal siyang nag-nap today. Kaya medyo late din siyang kakain ng lunch. So yeah, wala kaming masyadong ganap today. We're just here. We're just gonna chill at home. Right, Luna? And nakapang-workout ako because I'm gonna exercise later. Can mommy exercise later? Yeah? Yeah, hopefully I can exercise. After Luna's lunch, magti-try akong mag-workout dito sa bahay. And then, pag may energy pa kami later, siguro lalabas kami, pupunta kami ng supermarket to buy some food. Kasi naubusan na kami ng egg milk and Luna's yogurt. So, yeah. Hopefully, may energy kaming lumabas later kasi super mainit. But kailangan namin bumili. So, it's the init or kailangan namin bumili. Kailangan talagang mamili, no? But yeah. Hello! Luna and I are going to the supermarket and naglalakad lang kami going to the supermarket. Malapit lang kasi mga less than 10 minutes walk from our house. At ang ganda ng weather. Plus, napakaganda ng park na malapit sa amin. So, magandang maglakad-lakad. Maraming mga bata and kids na pumupunta talaga sa park every afternoon. And naglalaro sila with other kids. So, yan. Ganda ng park, diba? So green. I wish may mga ganyan tayong park sa Philippines. Yeah, mahangin today. Kaya super masarap yung pakiramdam. Luna is chilling. Gigising lang niya from her afternoon nap. Okay, lakad muna kami. I'll see you guys later. Bye! So hot. Galing na kami sa supermarket. Pauwi na kami and we decided na magpahinga muna ng konti. It's very hot, right, Luna? I think Luna is sweating. Mommy too. I'm sweating a lot. Yeah. And we're here at the park.